Hello all, myself Rohan Phatak. Today I am going to show you the task 3 under the Spark Foundation internship. The title of task 3 is exploratory data analysis, and the objective of this task is perform exploratory data analysis on the dataset sample superstore. So first of all, here I have imported all the necessary libraries which are required to perform this task. Then I have imported the dataset and printed the first 10 rows. Here in the dataset analysis, I first check the shape. The shape is basically returns rows and columns. The first value here is the total number of rows and the second value is the total number of columns. Then I used this info method to check whether there are any null values or not. Then I described this dataset to get the count, mean, standard deviation, minimum value, 25%, 50%, 75%, and maximum value. Then I checked for duplicate values. Suppose the dataset consists of any duplicate values. So here I found the dataset consists of 17 duplicated values. Then I printed all the columns in the dataset. Then again I checked if any of the column consists of any null values. Here I used this CORR method. This method gives the correlation of columns without including the null values. As we can see here, there are 9994 rows and 13 columns. Then I dropped all the duplicated values, which means we previously know that the dataset consists of 17 duplicate values. After this command, all these 17 values will get deleted. Now I plotted the correlation matrix. This is the correlation matrix. Then I plotted the line plot. Here I plotted line plot on the profit and discount column. So basically x-axis has the values of discount and y-axis has the values of profit. Then I plotted the distribution plot. For distribution plot, I considered 4 columns which are sales, profit, quantity and discount. Then I plotted state-wise analysis of profit, discount and sale. So here basically as we can see, I consider only 3 columns: profit column, discount column and sales column. Here as we can see, we can get count of value state wise. California has 1996, New York has 1127 and so on. Then I grouped this data by these 3 columns and I found the mean and printed the first 10 values. Basically here I have created another data set and stored all these values in the variable named data underscore state. Then I created another variable and sorted all those values of the data underscore state according to profit. Then I have plotted state-wise profit analysis. Here as we can see, profit per state and states. This is the Y label and X label. In this way I have completed this task 3. So thank you.